What are FBA product sourcing tools? FBA product sourcing tools are software platforms that help Amazon sellers find profitable and in-demand products to sell through the Fulfillment by Amazon FBA program. These tools analyze market trends, competition, and profit margins, making it easier for sellers to identify the best items to source from suppliers or manufacturers. The main goal is to minimize risk, save time, and ensure that every product added to your inventory has high sales potential. One of the most trusted and comprehensive options in this space is Helium 10. It offers tools like Black Box and X-Ray that allow sellers to search millions of products, analyze historical data, and uncover hidden opportunities. Helium 10 helps sellers identify which products have strong demand, low competition, and healthy margins, key factors in building a successful FBA business. Many top-performing FBA sellers rely on Helium 10 for product sourcing because it goes beyond simple research. It provides real-time insights into pricing trends, customer reviews, and seasonality patterns, ensuring you choose products with long-term potential. This data-driven approach helps sellers make smarter sourcing decisions and stay ahead of market shifts. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by checking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to expert product sourcing tools that help you discover, analyze, and launch winning Amazon FBA products with total confidence.